Hi my dear students, welcome to our English class. I hope you are all good and fit at home. Isn't it, students? Yes. Students, a powerful attitude awakens inner strength, energy, motivation and initiative. Keep your attitude positive and fight the coronavirus by staying home and staying safe. Okay students, okay, I expect you all have done your daily portion and study well, isn't it? Yes. Today we will move on the unit 2, My Hobbies. Okay, what is meant by hobby? It is an activity that you can do whatever you want in free time. Once again you can say the meaning of a hobby. It is an activity that you can do whatever you want in free time. Okay, now what is your hobby? You have so many hobbies, isn't it, students? Yes, each and every students have a specific hobbies, isn't it? Like dancing, painting, reading, drawing, craft works, etc. In this lesson, Nila's hobby is gardening. And she asked a question to you, what is yours? Okay students, okay, now we move on to the My Little Pictionary. Here some Pictionary words are given to you. The first one is hem. See this picture? Hem means fold and sew the edge of a cloth. Understand? Once again you can say the meaning of hem. Fold and sew the edge of a cloth. Understand students? Yes. The next one is mermaid. Mermaid means a mythological creature with a woman's head and upper body and a tail of a fish. See this picture? This is the mermaid. Mermaid means what? A mythological creature with a woman's head and upper body and a tail of a fish. Next, earthworm. Earthworm means a worm that lives in the ground. See this picture? This is the earthworm. Okay students, once again you can say the meaning of earthworm. A worm that lives in the ground. Understand students? Okay, then next one, fry. Fry means baby of a fish. See this picture? This is the baby of a fish. Once again you can say the meaning of fry. Fry means baby of a fish. Then next one is angling. Angling means fish with a rod and line. See this picture? Yes, this is angling. So, once again you can say the meaning of angling. Fish with a rod and line. That means angling is the activity of fishing with a fishing rod. Understand? Next one is glossary. First one is die kid. Die kid means do it yourself kid. Okay, die kid means do it yourself kid. Someone who does any work on their own. Okay students, and the next one is sew. Sew means making stitches with a needle. Okay students, once again you can say the meaning of sew. Making stitches with a needle. And the next one is cereals. Cereals means grains used for food. Once again, you can say the meaning of cereals, grains used for food. And the last one is slicing. Slicing means cut into slices. Once again, you can say the meaning of slicing, cut into slices. Next, we can move on to the lesson. The name of the lesson is Do It Yourself. What is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is Do It Yourself. Here, the first one character is Vinod. What's the name of the boy? The name of the boy is Vinod. In the first part, they are given information by Vinod. A few sentences told by Vinod himself here. Understand? Okay, now listen students. Hi, I am Vinod. When I was young, my parents and other elders did everything for me. Now, I wash my own clothes. I fold all clothes neatly. I love to do my work on my own. I am a die kid. Okay, now listen. Here, Vinod is talking about himself. Vinod was young that time. His parents and other elders did everything for Vinod. But now Vinod wash his own clothes and fold all clothes neatly. And that boy, Vinod love his work. He is a die kid. Die kid means do it yourself. Okay, students, you understand? Okay, next one. Okay, let me introduce my friends and their hobbies. Here, Vinod is introduce his friends and their hobbies. The first one is Rosie. Listen, hi, I am Rosie. I learned to ride a bicycle when I was 9 years old. I ride my bicycle every day. I enjoy cycling. Now, Rosie introduced herself. I learned to ride a bicycle when I was 9 years old. Rosie learned to ride a bicycle when she was 9 years old. When did she learn to ride a bicycle? When she was 9 years old, she learned to ride a bicycle. And she ride a bicycle every day. And she enjoyed cycling. Understand, students? Okay. Next one is Meghalai. Hi, I am Meghalai. I swim with the elders in a well. I compete with them. I am fond of swimming. Here, Meghalai is introduce herself. I swim with the elders in a well. That means Meghalai swim with elders in a well. Students, when you are learning to swim, you should go with your parents or elders. Don't go alone. Here also Meghalai swim with elders in a well. The next one is I compete with them. I compete with them means I play with the elders. Then next one, I fond of swimming. That means she likes swimming. Understand, students? Okay. Next one is James. Hi, I am James. I have my own garden. I water it every day. I love gardening. Here, James is introduce himself. That boy means James. James have own garden. That boy water it every day and he love gardening. Understand, students? And next one is Alia. Alia introduce herself. Hi, I am Alia. I sew my torn clothes. I hem the border. I am always keen to stitch. Alia sew her torn clothes. Here what is the hobby of Alia? Alia sew her torn clothes and she hemmed the border also. See this picture? She hemmed the border and I'm always keen to stitch. Keen means interest. Alia always interested to stitch. And the last one is Raju. Hi, I am Raju. I help by cleaning grains and cereals. I am good at cooking. I like slicing, cutting or chopping fruits and vegetables. I prepare a few simple dishes. Okay, now listen. Here Raju is introduce himself. He helped by cleaning grains and cereals. Raju helped by cleaning grains and cereals. Here cereals means what? Cereals means grains used for food. Okay students, and I am good at cooking. Raju good at cooking also, and he likes slicing, cutting or chopping fruits and vegetables. Then next one is he prepare a few simple dishes also. Raju prepare a few simple dishes also. I hope you are all understood this lesson. Isn't it students? Yes. Okay. We will meet the next class. Okay students? Okay. Thank you.